Have you been looking for the best patellar tendonitis massage or myofascial work? Well, this is going to be a good one. Watch this video, I'll show you how we do it in our clinic. Next, we're going to do a bit of lotion on the bottom part of the kneecap, or just around what we say the patellar tendon. Now, the reason why this is important, and I know we covered this in the patellar tendon section, is that we need to actually treat the areas attaching to the kneecap, which is going to be the fascial areas from the sides, the patellar tendon on the bottom, which we're at now. We did the quad and the quad tendon earlier. Now, what I like to feel for is for areas of relatively increased density. And when you feel on the patellar tendon, you're going to feel that the whole thing is just really, really raily. It's like a rope. Now, what we're looking for is areas of relative increased density or firmness in relationship to areas on the patellar tendon as well. So let me say that one more time. It's a difference of density from the other section of the patellar tendon. You might find one area feels swollen or boggy. There's another area which might feel like it's just kind of gristly. These are what we're looking for, and we're taking really firm, long strokes throughout the patellar tendon, throughout the entire tendon, to really make it so we're making a difference here.